Welcome back to my channel, WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. And today...
Can I tell them? I don't know anymore. What are we doing? We're going to visit a friend of ours. We're gonna go and drive around with them and they're showing us cool places, I guess. Let's see, I don't know. And it's super warm today. I don't know, do you want to add something?
It's the third video I make this week. So this week has been really fucking busy when it comes to video making. But that's really good because then I can get ahead of myself again. Because I was catching up on the videos that I'd made in the past. But I like being ahead of myself, so that's great. And obviously we're going a little bit of distance, so we're taking the Road King. We're gonna need to get petrol and then we're heading to... I don't know where exactly, but somewhere in East Germany.
So petrol has been gotten, the tank's full. We have a little bit of Autobahn left. I don't really want to film that much Autobahn because it's super boring. But soon we'll be taking off the Autobahn to go some cool country roads, hopefully. We have like an hour ride left until we get to our friends, and then we probably will be riding around for a few more hours probably, so don't worry, there will be a lot of things filmed. We met up with our friends. It's actually quite funny. Anna, which is on the back of the bike in front of us here, is a friend of ours from before. I met her in the bar that we work in, and I didn't know her boyfriend before today, and but he rides a motorcycle, and that's all I need to know to befriend someone. He's on a Yamaha Dragstar, which is a nice wee bike. Nice metric cruiser, definitely. So again, we're riding with someone who's local to the area, which know places that we do not know. But we're heading to a place that we're very familiar with, which is Meissen. I was in there in a previous video. I'm not sure if it was the video before or 2 videos ago, but it's the video that comes live on this day that we're riding on. Yeah, I never get tired of that place. It's an amazing town, so I do not mind going there several times, and especially when the weather's like this. It's just absolutely amazing and perfect day for a ride, and perfect time to spend more time in an awesome town. But we're going to some other towns that I've never been to, never seen. They say it's very nice. There's some castles along the road and all that stuff, so I think this will be a nice day. So I do believe we have made it into Meissen now. I don't see the amazing city center yet, but I think we're maybe coming at it from a different angle that I'm used to. Yeah, I can see the Meissen cathedral now. So we're coming at it from a different angle indeed. Coming up on it from behind. Like the cheeky boys do. Alright, we're coming at it from the angle that we came at, coming back from Dresden on Sunday. I love this. This view is just fucking awesome. I'd say this is near unbeatable. At least in our area. Can't get much better than this. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? Mara, I bought you a new house. Is it big enough? So for the first time, we are actually going up to the castle there in Meissen to look at it a little closer. Unfortunately, the first time we're doing it, it's closed, so we can't go inside or anything, but still we can get a good view of it and enjoy it. Here's you can take a little lift up there, yeah. The lazy way. I mean, I won't say we're any less lazy, we're driving up there. But at least we're coming up there on our own machines. Oh, let's look at that view. There you can see the Meissen cathedral, and then the castle is like around the cathedral. Really sick. Yeah, it looks like we have to walk up there, so let's go rev bump this parking house instead. That's also fun. Shh, be quiet.
I was making fun of the lazy way, and here we are taking the lazy way. We couldn't get our bikes all the way up, so I mean, maybe they can fit inside that thing.
That would be really neat.
I feel like we're not supposed to be here though.
Yeah.
Or is that just me?
I also feel like that. Just being rebels.
Yeah.
Imagine we would have been locked in here now.
So actually that lift that we just took is shut down because of Corona, and you actually have to pay to use it, but I just thought, hey, you know what, let's just press the button, see what happens, and it worked. So money saved.
Okay, enough of Meissen. Whoa. So enough of Meissen. We're now heading to another place. I don't know, it's called something like Moritzburg, something. Apparently also a very beautiful castle. And also something to see, apparently. It's another one of those rides where I'm just following the locals and I have no idea where we're actually going. And that's totally fine with me, because then I don't need to think about our destinations and all that shit. Okay, bye-bye Meissen. Now, let's see if the other two places we'll be going to will beat Meissen in beauty. But I think Meissen sets the standards really high. It's really hard to beat this. But let's see, I might be wrong. So I was told by the guys ahead that I should film us coming into this town, and I was told that now's the time to put on the cameras. What will reveal itself? You know, I should get sponsored by like the Saxony tourist board from showing everybody the beautiful parts of this state. And there's a castle right ahead of us at the end of the street. Can you see it? Yeah, it looks like it. But I'm not leaving this town without having a drink. That is not happening. You hear me? Wait, is it? Oh, this is the place I was on Sunday. Yes. This is where I was on Sunday. This is exactly where we were. And then I know where to get beer, so I don't need to rely on them anymore. That is pretty sick that this just turned out to be exactly the same place. But now we get to properly see it. I said on Sunday, in the last video I made here, I said that I want to come back. I don't know where it is, what it is, but I said I want to come back here, make some proper shots, and show Mara it.
Now we're getting one of the important things. Beer.
Beer.
So we're leaving this place. I found out it's called Moritzburg. This time I got some proper shots of it. I'm really happy with that. But I know that it won't be the last time I come here, because this is a cool place and definitely a place I want to take people. And like I said in the previous video I made when I was here, I said Mara will like this place, and I was correct. And now we're heading not that far down the road, they said, to a different place. I'm not sure what's there. Think maybe it's another castle, I'm not 100% sure. I have no idea where we're going, but we've been going down some really shitty roads for way too long for my taste. Oh shit, it better be a good payoff at the end of this road. Okay, that's pretty cool. Wanna stop here for a wee photo session or something?
We've come to this little road that like splits the lake in half, which is pretty cool. And we stopped up to take some pictures of the bikes and just chill by the side of the road a little bit. It's a nice wee place. It was worth the horrible roads coming in here.
So we're in Schönfelder now, which is our last destination of the day. Wow, look at that building. Holy shit. Another castle. This is a little castle tour. I guess this is another one of the Corona adventures, but the castle tour edition. Wow. Oh yeah, so we can drive in there. Da, 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 da. On my seat into the cathedral.
So we have reached our final destination here in Schönfeld. Not Schönfeld, because that's an airport, so don't go there if you're looking for a castle. Well, we've come to this really cool castle. This one is not as well kept as the other ones we've been to, but I think this one is my favorite one. It's time to head back to our friend's place, have some food, hopefully some beers, before me and Mara head back to Leipzig. Okay, I was wrong. Our final destination, this amazing road trip, is this awesome playground. Yes! Look at us scary bikers playing on the playground. Proper badasses.
That was a nice castle to come to, and I was really happy that we were able to drive our bikes straight into the back of it. As I said, we're heading back to their place for food and drinks. So, thanks for watching another video here at WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter. This is Mara Moondust. Until next time, bye bye.